Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your Windows computer is stuck or frozen on Screensaver. When a Windows computer becomes stuck or frozen on Screensaver, it can be caused by several underlying issues, ranging from driver conflicts to corrupted system files or hardware problems. So here are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now the immediate steps to regain access is to force restart. If you cannot exit the screensaver by pressing keys or moving the mouse, hold down the power button until the computer shuts off and then restart. Once that is done, the first troubleshooting step, what you could try is you can go ahead and check for the background processes and the resource usage. To do this, you can do a right click on the start button and then click on Task Manager. Simultaneously, you can also press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard, which should also open the Task Manager. Once you are on the Task Manager, you may go ahead and click on Processes and check if there are any apps or processes which are utilizing high CPU or high memory. In case if you find one, all you need to do is you will have to do a right click and then click on End Task. And at the same time, you can also go to the startup apps and you can go ahead and disable some of the unnecessary startups apps which are currently enabled on your computer. One such instance I can give you as an example is, let's say if you want to disable Epic Games as a startup app when a computer restart, what you could do is you could do a right click and then click on disable. With that, you will have that particular app disable on the startup, so it will not launch once you restart your computer. Once this is done, you may close this window, and the next thing what you could do is you can go ahead and run the system file checker. To do this, you will have to go to the search and type cmd. You will see the best match for the command prompt. You can do a right click and then click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you have the command prompt open, you can go ahead and type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to execute this command. So you will have to wait until this command is being successfully executed and the verification is 100% complete. Once this is done, you may close this window, restart your computer, and then check if your issue has been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next method, what you could do is you can go ahead and disable or change screensaver. Sometimes a specific screensaver can cause issues, so you can try disabling the screensaver or you can switch to a different one. To do this, you can do a right click on the desktop and then click on personalize. That should take you to the personalization window, and then you may go ahead and click on lock screen. Scroll down on this window and then look for screensaver. You may go ahead and click on screensaver. To disable screensaver, from the screensaver option, make sure you have selected none and then click on apply and then click on OK. You can close this window and that should fix the problem. So basically what you're doing here is you're disabling the screensaver. So when you have the screensaver disabled, your computer will not go to the screensaver and you should not be facing the problem. So in spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, in case if your computer still goes to the frozen mode or it gets stuck, there are a few other things what you could try is you can check for the Windows update. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on these settings, you may go ahead and click on Windows update, and here you may go ahead and check if there are any updates available. You may go ahead and click on check for the updates. In case if there are any updates to be installed, you may go ahead and click on install those updates. Once the installation is complete, you may close this window, restart your computer, and that should also fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, The next step, what you could do is you may go ahead and update your graphics driver. Now, sometimes outdated or corrupted graphic drivers are common cause of a screensaver related freezes. Update your graphics driver from the device manager. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on device manager. That should open the device manager window. Once you have the device manager window open, you may go ahead and expand the display adapters. Now this is where you would find the graphic drivers. In case if you have only the internal graphic card, you would see Intel or AMD listed here. So in my case, I also have NVIDIA graphic card and also the default one. So I might want to update both. So you can do a right click and then click on update driver, search automatically for the drivers and then click on close, and this repeat the same step in case if you have NVIDIA or any other graphic card. So you can click on right click and update driver, search automatically for drivers and click on close. Close this window, and meantime you can also go to the respective manufacturer official website and then try to download the latest driver. Once this is done, you may go ahead and restart your computer and then check if your issue has been resolved. So all these steps should definitely fix the problem. In spite of trying all this step, and if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.